The University of Edinburgh is one of the top universities in the world for teaching quality and research excellence. In addition to the academic prestige, we look after our students and make sure they thrive on their online program in the best way possible to further their career in child and adolescent mental health. Hello, my name is Laura Carriola. I'm a lecturer in applied psychology and a program director of the Master's Mental Health in Children and Young People Psychological Approaches Online Learning. The program aims to encourage students to think more critically about child and adolescent mental health and the approaches we take in treating children and young people with psychological problems and psychopathology. In particular, the program focuses on the influence of developmental processes from the individual to the social-cultural and psychological theory and evidence on child and adolescent mental health. The aim of this teaching approach is to lead over time to a more supportive clinical environment for children and young people. The students on our program take various courses, for example, typical and atypical child development, trauma and resilience, and social inequality in child and adolescent mental health. On the online delivered master's program, students are part of a supportive and intellectually stimulating learning environment and fully supported by the program team. Our team of psychologists provide a combination of rich expertise and a high-quality learning environment, and tutors guide and advise students throughout their learning experience and academic development. Our students join us from all over the world, which creates a unique and diverse classroom experience. And students engage in collaborative learning and discussions online to learn from each other, and through this develop strong professional networks and enjoy making friends on the program. The global insight and critical skills obtained from studying on the Master's online program is highly attractive to prospective employers. Students who have completed the program comment on feeling much more competent, and our Master's graduates typically advance their existing careers through promotion and also specialism in child and adolescent mental health.
I've spent about 15 years working with children and young people.
I'm a trainee clinical psychologist. I was working in the charity sector with children and young people.
I had been working as a school nurse for the 7 years prior to moving to Singapore. On my return to New Zealand, I got a job as a guidance counsellor.
I'm from Malawi. This program, I really liked it. The modular form that it gives. I had a good balance between all the three, my work, my education, as well as my family.
I was keen to return to education, but I didn't want to give up my job.
I'm now in my second year. I'm working part-time, doing volunteer work, raising 2 teenagers, and I'm juggling all those facets of my life, both with and around my coursework and dissertation.
So I think even on that first module, the assignment, we were working alongside social workers, head teachers, people from the charity sector, and all collaborating on this one piece of work, and I guess really benefiting from seeing all these different perspectives that come from all these different disciplines in a way that I'd never seen before.
The university staff were always incredibly supportive in offering lots of options, knowing that they were teaching a global population. When we did our group work, it was so fascinating to be in an online community with students from all over the world and to listen to their stories and their experiences.
I am on the verge of being admitted for a PhD. I'm going to be successful because I'll get all the support from peers as well as from the support staff, lecturers, and other professors within this school.
I've got a whole new perspective, and with that I feel I'm much more grounded in how I apply what I've learned so far. I'm currently working for Barnardo's as a project worker with a young carer service based in Aberdeen, Scotland. I am really enjoying my new role with all its challenges, and I know for a fact that taking the step to join this postgraduate degree program has certainly helped me to get to this point in my career.
I'd definitely say that it is this course that has really had the biggest impact on my career path.
I hope that if you choose to enroll, you will enjoy the experience just as much as I have. Good luck.